Need remote access for your one-to-one learning programs? Planning to deploy a Chromebook initiative anytime soon? Struggling to support BYOD? As an educational institution, how would you like to empower your students, teachers, and admins with secure access to all the Windows-based resources they need? All this without having to install anything on their Chromebook or any other end-user device. Ericom's Access Now is the ideal remote access solution. With a zero learning curve, it reduces help desk support requirements by 90%. So everyone loves it: students, staff, and IT. And because it's clientless, Access Now can be used on any device with a browser and internet connection. No downloads or installs are necessary. Enabling one-to-one learning initiatives has never been so easy. Ericom solutions easily provide access to Windows-based software such as learning and testing, resource-heavy applications, and collaboration tools from within any modern browser. What's more, you can easily extend the reach of Chromebook access to education-specific applications and other programs that require Internet Explorer. Better still, you can extend the life of aging PCs, as all application processing takes place remotely on your servers, while access takes place in the browser. And all this can be easily managed using an intuitive web-based console. Ericom Access Now is uniquely positioned to provide universities, K-12 school districts, and colleges with an affordable and robust access solution. Join our hundreds of satisfied education customers.